hiatus for almost 10 years. And in those 10 years, the growth in the Bronx has been incredible. We have everything from Bally's Casino to our bank, like JP Morgan Chase. We have Montefiore, who is the biggest employer in the Bronx. And then we have all our cultural institutions. It is exciting, and we're so proud. We have the ability to showcase the success of what the Bronx is.
It's Bronx Day! We finally made it! We're celebrating all things Bronx. The culture, the music, the food, which I'm looking forward to. Senator Natalia Fernandez, myself, and our teams knew how important it was. I've been asking for the last few years, and Natalia Fernandez and everyone else was able to pull it off. So thank you to Bronx Chamber of Commerce for finally bringing it back.
This has been an event years in the making since it was last here at the Capitol, and we've been working on it together with so many partners, the Bronx Chamber of Commerce, my colleagues, and so many business and community leaders. And today is the day that we have worked towards to have a thorough conversation, including Bronxites and voices of the Bronx, to be a part of what the state can do for you.
We are back, bigger, better than ever.
I'm happy to see all of you from, no offense to the other 61 counties in this great state, but y'all all know my heart is in the Bronx, and the Bronx will always be first amongst equals. And I'm so happy for my colleagues that have brought Bronx Day back.
The Dr. Bob Lee from Bronx Day in Albany for BronxNet. I'm here with the Senator Natalia Fernandez.
It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Senator Robert Jackson, it's always a pleasure to see you. Now I've got the Reverend Assemblyman Al Taylor with us.
Here it is, Dr. Bob Lee.
I'm with the Governor, Kathy Hochul.
I'm so proud to be here at this Bronx Night in Albany with you, Dr. Bob Lee, but also Lisa Soren from the Chamber of Commerce. There is so much energy in the Bronx.
Yes.
People are just so excited. It's got a great vibe. There's an energy here. The businesses that we have here are extraordinary. The restaurants.